I sure do miss my friends at supper time. Seems we eat at the same old place all the time. Some make soup, some make gravy, some are served at the dinner table. Looks like I'm the last chicken in the house. Looks like I'm the last chicken in the house. Looks like I'm the last chicken in the house. Farmers eat up all my kin, leave the roosters and the hens. Looks like I'm the last chicken in the house. Well, I guess there's a moral to the song. Listen up now.